Welcome back to my channel Thread Logic by Sid. Today I am going to show you how to do single crochet. For this I am taking the hook of this one 5mm. For this project I am taking the hook of 5mm and yarn, any type of yarn you have available. I am taking yarn of pink color, and without wasting time, let's start. Take the yarn and hold it like that and just twist the yarn and take it out from the hole, and this is slip knot. This is the easiest way of a slip knot, and insert the slip knot into your hook like that. I am left-handed, so I am taking it and holding the hook like that in left hand. First we are making for this project 20 chain stitches like that over the yarn, or we can say yarn over, and just pull through over the yarn like this and pull through. This is 3 chain stitches, and we are going to make 20 chain stitches from the same method like that. Yarn over and pull through. This is 20 chain stitches, and now we are going to start single crochet. For this I am insert the hook into the second one, not first, second one, second stitch, second chain stitch. I insert the hook and yarn over and just pull through like that. Yarn over second time and just take it from the this one, and this is first single crochet. Next, from the next chain I insert the hook and just yarn over and pull through. I am getting 2 yarn and just yarn over one more time and pull through. This is second single crochet. Insert the hook, yarn over, pull through like that, and you are getting 2 yarn and then yarn over and pull through like that. Single crochet is the basic step of any crochet work like that, and yarn over and pull through like that. How beautifully is done. So for the next 20 stitches we are doing the same method: yarn over, pull through, and yarn over and pull through like that. Please subscribe my channel, like and share it if you like my video. Yarn over and just pull through. Just insert the hook, yarn over, pull through, and yarn over, and just like that. This is the first single crochet like this. How beautifully is done. And now we are going to second single crochet, second step, second time we are going to start, not from the first, second chain. This is the first one and this one is second. So we insert the hook into the second chain. This one, second chain. We insert the hook like that and just yarn over and pull through, and the second time yarn over and just pull through. The same method, but this time, second time, we are insert the hook from insert the hook from the two chains and just yarn over and pull through and yarn over and pull through. This is the second single crochet step, second. From both chain we are insert the hook like that, yarn over and just pull through, yarn over and just pull through like that. This is very easy. If you understand it, then you can easily make it. I'm going to show you in a very slow-mo, then you can understand it. Yarn over and just pull through. This is second step of a single crochet. Yarn over and just pull through like that. And now at the end, just insert the hook, yarn over, pull through and just yarn over and pull through. Yarn over and just pull through. In my next video, I will going to show you how to do half double crochet, so don't miss it. And for this, please subscribe my channel and become my YouTube family. Like this, how beautiful is done. And at the end, just pull the yarn like that and cut the extra one and pull through the yarn. How beautifully is done. Don't forget to watch my next video. Until then, bye bye.